Hook AI video generators are lying to you. The demos look like Hollywood magic. Sora, Runway, Pika, Kling, every company shows perfect footage of cinematic scenes. But when you actually use these tools, the truth is very different. Today I'm exposing 5 failures that the billion-dollar AI video industry doesn't want you to know about. Intro. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button in the corner. It's free, takes 1 second, and you'll never miss a video. Do it now. The AI video generation market is worth over $7 billion in 2026. OpenAI's Sora, Runway Gen 3 Alpha, Pika 2.0, Kling, and a dozen others are all fighting for your money. They show stunning demo reels at conferences. But behind the marketing, there are fundamental problems that no amount of funding can fix. Here are the 5 things AI video generators still cannot do, and why the companies won't talk about them. Consistent characters. Number 1. Consistent characters. This is the single biggest complaint from every filmmaker who has tried these tools. You prompt for a woman with brown hair and a blue jacket walking down a street. Then you want a second shot of the same woman from a different angle. What do you get? A completely different person. Different face. Different skin tone. Different eye color. Sometimes her jacket is now red. Sometimes she's now a man. The AI has no concept of identity across shots. It generates every frame from scratch with zero memory of what it just created. Major studios have tested these tools for pre-visualization and walked away because you cannot tell a coherent story when your main character changes appearance every 10 seconds. A 2025 survey of professional video creators found that over 70% abandon AI video tools because of character inconsistency alone. The companies know about this. They're working on it. But in 2026, it's still broken. Physics in motion. Number 2, the physics problem. AI video generators have no understanding of how the real world works. Ask for a person walking through a doorway while holding a cup of coffee. Watch what happens. The arm phases through the doorframe. The cup merges with the hand. Legs clip through each other with every step. Objects that should be solid behave like ghosts. This is not a minor issue. It's a fundamental limitation of how these models work. AI video generators were trained on 2-dimensional pixels. They have no internal physics engine. So when you ask for something simple like a ball bouncing off a wall, the ball may pass right through. It may stick to the wall. It may turn into a cube halfway through the bounce. The model doesn't understand cause and effect. It's just predicting what pixel should come next based on training data that contains all kinds of impossible motions. Duration limits. Number 3, the 10-second wall. Try to generate a video longer than 10 seconds with any AI tool. Sora can push to 60 seconds, but the quality degrades rapidly after the first 10. Runway tops out at 18 seconds. Pika gives you 4 seconds max. The reason is technical. Every generation step introduces new errors and the model has no long-term memory. By frame 250, the scene has drifted so far from your original prompt that it's unrecognizable. For context, a single TV commercial is 30 seconds. A YouTube video intro is 15 seconds. A social media ad is at least 15 seconds. These tools cannot produce anything close to what the industry actually needs. The companies claim longer generations are coming. But the laws of physics for neural networks make this incredibly difficult. Every extra second costs exponentially more compute and produces exponentially worse quality. Text and readability. Number 4, AI video generators cannot render text. This kills 90% of commercial applications. Try generating a video of a storefront with a sign that says open. The sign will be a jumble of unreadable characters, symbols that look vaguely like letters but aren't. Try a license plate on a car. Gibberish. A headline on a screen. Nonsense. Why does this matter? Because the biggest commercial use cases for video are advertising, education, and corporate communication, all of which require readable text. You cannot sell a product with AI video because you can't show the product name. You cannot make an educational video because you can't show labels or diagrams. You cannot create a brand commercial because you can't include the logo. The entire trillion-dollar video advertising industry runs on text, and AI video generators fundamentally cannot handle it. If you're getting value from this, smash that subscribe button. YouTube shows my next video to subscribers first. The real cost. Number 5, the hidden cost that nobody talks about. AI video generation is staggeringly expensive. Sora costs $200 per month for 50 generations. 50 videos. That's $4 per video for just 10 seconds of content. Runway's unlimited plan is $95 per month. Pika is $28 per month for basic access. And this isn't because the companies are greedy. It's because video generation requires massive compute. A single 10-second clip can take minutes on hundreds of dollars worth of GPUs. Compare this to the alternatives. A stock video site charges $5 to $50 for a full HD clip that you own forever. A freelance videographer costs $100 to $500 per hour for unlimited footage that has real physics, real consistency, and real text. AI video generation is currently more expensive than the alternatives while delivering dramatically lower quality. The math doesn't work. OUTRO. So here's the truth: AI video generation in 2026 is a remarkable technical achievement that is not yet a practical tool. The demos are aspirational. The reality is inconsistent characters, broken physics, short clips, no text rendering, and a price tag that makes no economic sense. Subscribe now because tomorrow I'm covering 5 AI tools that actually deliver on their promises. The subscribe button is right there, tap it. And tell me in the comments, have you tried AI video generators? Were you as disappointed as I was? Drop your experience below. YouTube's about to recommend another video, watch one more before you go.